Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the DaVinci Resolve on Windows in a very simple way. You just have to open your Chrome browser and then here you can simply search for DaVinci Resolve download. You can simply open in of your favorite browser. It doesn't matter. You have to open the Chrome browser. After opening it, search it and then click on the DaVinci Resolve download option. After that, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out the Windows download option over here, as you can see. So now here you have to click on the download Windows. So before that, you have to just simply give your name, last name, email, phone, company, country, city, street. On that occasion, I'm going to just simply give my company name, United States. Well, I'm going to give it Bangladesh because I'm right now living in Bangladesh. Street, city is Dhaka. And now you have to give your state, the state. So now as you can see, you have to fulfill your first name, last name, email, phone number, company, country, and street, city, state, and click on download Windows. And now you can simply see the download has been appeared. So if you click on the download option, it's about 3.32 GB. It will take some more minutes to complete. For that, you have to keep your patience. And now as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you click on the folder icon and you can simply click on it 2 times to install it. You can simply click on the DaVinci Resolve, click on that. Now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. After complete the extraction, now you can simply click on run, click yes for the permission. Now you can simply select all of it, click on install. The DaVinci Resolve setup wizard came in. Now if you can simply select I accept the terms in the license agreement, next, and install. And now as you can see that the DaVinci Resolve setup is completed. Now if you click on the finish and it's saying installation complete. Now if you open the DaVinci Resolve in your Windows, as you can see the DaVinci Resolve is rightly opened in your computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install the DaVinci Resolve in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.